In this short video, we'll be discussing gerunds and gerund phrases as objects of prepositions. So as we know, nouns can follow prepositions to form prepositional phrases, and since gerunds and gerund phrases act like nouns, gerunds and gerund phrases can also come after a preposition. There are actually three combinations we're going to talk about in regards to this topic. The first one is verb preposition gerund, adjective preposition gerund, and noun preposition gerund. So these are three common preposition gerund combinations. So first we have verb preposition and gerund. For example, the student is thinking about transferring to UC Berkeley. We have the verb is thinking, we have the preposition about, and then the gerund phrase transferring to UC Berkeley. So about is a preposition, and then we have this gerund phrase as the object of the preposition. Here's another example. The second combination is adjective plus preposition plus gerund. For example, many students are interested in learning about gerunds. We have the adjective interested followed by the preposition in, and then the gerund phrase learning about gerunds. Another example, both of them are worried about passing the class. We have the adjective worried, preposition about, and then the gerund phrase passing the class. So passing the class, this gerund phrase is actually the object of the preposition about. And here's another example. Finally, we have the noun plus of plus gerund combination, which is very common in academic writing. So for example, one advantage of exercising every day is weight loss. We have the noun advantage, we have the preposition of, and then exercising every day as the gerund phrase. And this gerund phrase, again, is the object of the preposition of. And then actually, in academic writing, of is the most common preposition used. Here's another example. And one more. And that's just a little bit about gerunds as the objects of prepositions.